Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. If you want to save time and create compelling product descriptions that drive sales, AI can help streamline the process. Today, we'll show you how to use AI to craft engaging product descriptions that highlight your product's best features and resonate with your target audience. Let's get started. 1. Understand the power of AI for writing descriptions. AI tools like ChatGPT, Jasper, or Copy.ai can help generate product descriptions quickly by analyzing your product's features and translating them into persuasive and catchy copy. These tools can craft tailored descriptions based on your input, making them a great resource for busy entrepreneurs and marketers. Top 2. Provide clear and detailed input. To get the best results, be as specific as possible when feeding details about your product into the AI tool. Include information like size, color, material, functionality, and any unique selling points. The more details you give, the more relevant and accurate the AI-generated description will be. 3. Focus on your target audience. When generating a product description, think about who will be reading it. Tailor your language, tone, and messaging to appeal to your audience. Whether you're selling luxury goods, tech gadgets, or eco-friendly products, the description should speak directly to your customers' needs and preferences. 4. Highlight key features and benefits. AI can help you structure your product description to showcase both the features and benefits of your product. Features describe what the product is, while benefits explain why those features matter to the customer. For example, instead of just saying, "This blender has 10 speed settings," an AI tool can expand that into something like, "With 10 versatile speed settings, this blender allows you to blend, chop, and puree ingredients to perfection, making meal prep quick and easy." 5. Add keywords for SEO. For your product descriptions to be discoverable on search engines like Google or Amazon, you need to optimize them with relevant keywords. AI tools can also help with this by suggesting popular search terms related to your product. Be sure to include high-ranking keywords in your description to boost your product's visibility and attract more organic traffic. Shot 6. Make the description persuasive and engaging. AI doesn't just generate facts. It can also create a sense of urgency or excitement. Use AI to help craft descriptions that are both informative and persuasive. Phrases like limited time offer, bestseller, or customer favorite can create urgency, while including testimonials or social proof can make your product more relatable and trustworthy. Ensure a clear and easy to read format. Most AI tools will generate text in a structured format. Make sure your product descriptions are easy to scan by breaking them up into short paragraphs, bullet points, and headings. This helps customers quickly find key information like product features, size options, and pricing. 8. Edit and customize for your brand voice. While AI-generated descriptions are a great starting point, don't forget to personalize and refine the text. Ensure the description matches your brand's voice, whether it's casual, professional, fun, or authoritative. Make small adjustments to align the tone with your overall branding and messaging. 9. Use AI to create multiple versions. Sometimes one product description isn't enough. You might want to create variations for different platforms or test different approaches. AI can help you generate multiple versions of your product description in minutes, allowing you to experiment with different styles and see which one resonates most with your audience. 10. Analyze and optimize. Once your AI-generated product descriptions are live, analyze their performance. Monitor metrics like conversion rate, bounce rate, and customer feedback. If certain descriptions are not performing well, tweak them using AI suggestions or test new variations to see what works best. AI-powered product descriptions are a great way to save time and ensure your listings are engaging, informative, and optimized for search engines. By following these steps, you can create descriptions that captivate customers and boost your sales. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips. See you in the next one.